the transformation of the judiciary. To this day, I have a deep commitment and belief that the judiciary is going to transform our country. And as a patriotic Kenyan who wants this country to change and sees this country being a better place for our children, I am committed to continue being an ambassador and a champion of the judiciary from wherever I am. I know that people make fun of me at the National Assembly. They say, why do you act like you work for the judiciary? And I tell them, because I've interacted with the judiciary. And I know the challenges that face the judiciary. And I know what they lack. And therefore, you have my commitment, and you've probably seen it, that throughout, I have remained an advocate of the judiciary. I also remind people that I am first an officer of the court before I'm a politician. And the Honorable Prime Cabinet Secretary will tell you that during the development of the Kenya Kwanza plan, I was very vocal about the judiciary, and I will still remain to be vocal. Many people have asked me, but they weren't nice to you. Why are you still the advocate? I always remind them that even though the worst nightmare of my professional career did happen here, it is also that turning point that took me to bigger heights in my professional career. It is the place that turned my life around and took me to places that I have grown and on a path to a place where today I love and have the opportunity to impact and change the direction of my country. And for that, I will be forever grateful to the judiciary. So you have a friend in me, all of you. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you very much, Madam Deputy Speaker, for reminding us that courage indeed